Tracy, I found your hummus at the Westchester Growers Market, and it was so good I had to reach out. I'm curious, what makes it so good?
Oh, thanks so much, Tanya. I like to use fresh ingredients and minimal ingredients in anything I make, so especially my hummus. It is 6 simple ingredients in the classic. We have chickpeas, extra virgin olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and tahini and garlic.
That's amazing. So let's talk a little bit about the olive oil.
Yes.
You use the extra virgin?
I use extra virgin. So that to me is one of the healthiest oils to use in cooking, especially in colder food. It supports your heart health, and it is not as more of a concerning oil as some where they can be genetically modified. And so
interesting. So there's no preservatives?
No preservatives at all. No, none.
What does that do to the shelf life?
So it does shorten the shelf life a bit, but when you do eat it, you can know that you are having a fresh, homemade,
yes, tasty
food.
So now you have different flavors. How do you do that? Just spices?
Yeah, so I have 6 different flavors. I have roasted red pepper, so you're adding in red pepper, vegetables. I have butternut squash.
Oh, that sounds fabulous.
That's a great,
especially for the fall.
Yes. Old Bay, which is not a vegetable, but a great seasoning.
Summertime. I love
yes.
the seasons.
Yes, and everything bagel, which has the seasonings of the everything bagel. And then different times throughout the year, I actually do a chocolate hummus too.
Chocolate hummus?
Yes.
That's interesting.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. What do we dip in that?
You can dip even more healthy stuff. Apples, berries, or you can dip unhealthy stuff like graham crackers and pretzels to make like a chocolate covered pretzel.
Now you told me a real quick story about why you like hummus. Why do you like hummus?
Yes, I love hummus because it's a healthy food. Number one, it's plant-based, so you're getting something healthy, but also you eat vegetables with it. So it's a trick to get yourself to eat more vegetables.
It's a carrier for vegetables.
Yes, exactly.
So another interesting thing too is we think about hummus as just being a standalone dip. Mm-hmm. But you actually use it in recipes.
I do, yes.
So I'm excited for you to make a recipe for us.
Yes, I love this creamy salad dressing. Again, minimal ingredients, easy, no cooking, nothing to do with an oven or a stove. And so real easy and tasty.
Show me what we do.
Okay, great. So you take our classic hummus. We take a half, which is half of this, which is half of a cup.
Half of a container. Oh, yeah. That's a cup.
Yeah, the whole container is a cup. So we will use a half of this. We use a tablespoon of Dijon mustard.
Okay. Any kind of Dijon mustard?
Any kind, yes. And you can even add more too if you like an extra kick, or less if you don't want an extra kick. We use the juice of half of a lemon.
And when you were getting that ready, you rolled it. I love that.
Yes.
Helps it be juicier.
It does. So it breaks up the pockets in there and gets you more juice out of it. So you just juice this up. Love this little handy juicer too. It's a staple in my kitchen.
I love that. Plus it's cute.
It is cute. And it's small. So you add that in. And then we'll mix this up because the last ingredient is water. So you can add 2 to 4 tablespoons of water depending upon how thick and you like it or how thin you want it. So you just mix this up.
This is so easy.
So easy. Nice,
typically
quick.
Salad dressing is loaded with preservatives. And
it is.
Gives it a little added.
So you just add in a little water. Yes.
That looks delicious.
Thank you. Yeah. So
that's just the classic hummus.
This is just the classic. Yes.
So you could probably also use the red pepper if you wanted.
Red pepper or even butternut squash, because butternut squash is so smooth as well, or even everything bagel if you like an additional,
little kick.
Yeah, a little kick and some sesame seeds and so forth in there. Yeah, and then you just drizzle it over your salad.
That looks pretty too. It looks so creamy and thick
and fresh. And just toss.
Tracy, thank you so much. That looks delicious.
Thank you, Tanya. I appreciate it.